Hey Bacha Party, I'm Ritu Agarwal with a new story for you. The title of the story is Air Pollution. So, it's a fantasy story, and in the story, I'm telling you that there was a village, there was a city once upon a time, and there lived many families with kids, mommy, papa, and grandparents. As the city was very technical, so people used many gadgets, many vehicles, many appliances to make their life convenient and comfortable. So every family had two or three vehicles, computers, music systems, and TVs, etc. And people enjoyed uh, a lots of things made in factories. So according to the habitat, there were many factories to manufacture many comfortable things, goods, gadgets. So the smoke of the factories had been polluting the air so badly, and as people used vehicles to go to uh, what should I say, to cover a small distance, they did not like to go anywhere by feet. They only used vehicles, and they they did parties with a lots of noise to play music systems. So after some years, uh, suddenly the infants and the children aged 2 to 5 were dead. Surprisingly, it it had been being with the kids, with the children, as the immunity power of the kids was very low, is very low. So people of the city were worried, and they went to the a professor, a science professor, and told him all the all the problem. So the professor told them that because of using so many gadgets, so many uh, so many vehicles which were running, which were uh, which were running by the fuel like diesel, petrol, etc. So all the things made the air so much polluted, so badly polluted, that the children of the city were not could not be able to survive there. So people of the city thought that if the gadgets, if the luxuries were making our children kill, were making our children dead, so what is the profit, what is the benefit, what is the meaning to use these types of luxuries if our lives are our lives are not saved. So what is the meaning of the comfort? So according to the professor, as he told them to stop to use so much of luxury, so much of vehicles, so many of comforts, they started to stop to use these luxuries and tried to live a very simple and sober life. After some months, the life was very easy. The children were saved, and the climate of the city was very pure. So, moral of the story that we should use every luxury, every comfort according to the need. It is not necessary to use these sources for only show off, for only comfort, or to live in comfort zone. Please stop all these things which are harmful to our lives, to our universe. If we have not, if we don't have, we don't saved our life, if we don't save our life, if we can't save our life, what is the meaning of these resources? Bye.